Heia, lille vennen. Heia, bestefar sin. Her er hjertet til lille meisen. Hvordan har du det? Har du spist kveldsmat? Har du spist god kveldsmat? Og har du fått godteri og sjokolade? This is Mr. Bacon, our mascot. From now on, Mr. Bacon is going to be with us wherever we are. And oh, what? Ari, what are you doing? Well. That means we have to do, cause I'm a Viking boy, and I shake my bacon. I'm a Viking boy, and bacon brings me joy. Ari had a birthday yesterday, so everyone say hello to Ari. Har hun bisa osten sin? Det gjør du rett i. Synes du grisen var artig? Har du lyst på en sånn gris? Yes, to Gertie. Tomorrow we are going to go and find blue mussels and pearls. So, I am just, I'm talking to my granddaughter. Oh, what's he saying? He's saying, oh, do you think Ari should stop streaming? No, he says no. Do you think Ari should be shaking his butt in front of the camera? Oh, yeah, he should. Yeah, you should. Should he dedicate that to me? Oh, you should not dedicate your butt to me. Do you think Ari has a nice butt? Oh, no, he does not think that you have a nice butt? My gosh. What, are you being saucy here now? Oh, you are? Oh, okay. That's terrible. That's terrible. Ser du her, eller? Nå har bestefar begynt å få skjegg tilbake. Ja, nå kan du snart få storskjegget du kan dregge i. Oh, by the way. This is going to be in Norwegian, but you will get the gist of it. I don't know, Emma. I do not know. I don't know why it has, but maybe we need to shave it. Maybe, yeah, we need to shave. Tomorrow we were going to shave it. Heia, hvordan har du det i dag? Har det bare bra. Er du sikker på det? Har du bisa masse maten sin? Ja, gjort det. Å, sier du det? Now, let's sing bursdagssangen to Ari in Norwegian again. Oh, we will do it in English. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Ari. Happy birthday to you.